Derivative is e to the power of sine inverse x. Again, sine inverse x is root over 1 minus x square. 1 by root over. So chain rule, e power x derivative is e power x. Sine inverse x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, what is the log x derivative? 1 by x. So the derivative of e power sine inverse x by the derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. That's all. So which of the following option is correct? This is the answer. Derivative of e power sine inverse x by log x. This x becomes numerator. I think the second one. Positive. Am I right? Not here, negative will be there. So second one is correct. Simple question. And derivative of implicit function. The function which is in the form of x, f of x comma y is equal to 0. Nothing but we should not write the given function in the form of y is equal to x. Okay. Yeah. Right. So how to do this question number 24? We can do in two ways. Either we can consider this value, both values is equal to k. In another method is now squaring on both sides. All of you see what is the given question? Square root of y minus root over y minus root over. It's an up to infinite. It is a clearly infinite series. Clearly it is equal to root over x plus square root of x plus square root of x plus so on up to infinite. It is an infinite series. First, what shall I do means, let us take this is equation 1. Students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is equation 1. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring. When we squaring, then here y minus root over same value, y minus root over y minus up to infinite series. This is equal to x plus root over x plus root over x plus what, like that we will get. So one square root get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. We get like this. So after that, see from the equation 1, shall I write these values as x? Is it clear, student? Because you know what is the value of root over y minus root over y minus, because it is an infinite series. It is clearly infinite series. Whenever it is infinite series, we should consider this value. Like when we squaring on both sides, we can eliminate one value, addition, subtraction. The value of infinity cannot be changed. Like infinity minus 1, infinity plus 1 is infinity plus y, infinity. Y is any value. It may be positive, it may be negative. So infinity minus y also infinity. It is an infinite series. So from the equation 1, this square root of this value clearly equal to what shall I write? Sorry, we should write like this. From the equation 1, we should write square root of x plus square root of x plus square root of so on. This is equal to x plus square root of this value. Okay, now this value, now I want to take this x value is left side, this minus value right side. So finally, y minus x is equal to, this minus becomes plus 2 times of, it will becomes x plus square root of x plus square root of, it is infinite series will get. Is it clear? Now squaring on both sides. Now again squaring on both sides. When I squaring on both sides, okay, here left side is y square plus x square minus 2xy. It is equal to, right side is 4 into x plus again square root of x plus square root of x plus so on we are getting. Okay. So now see student, 4 into x plus, so what about this value? This value from the above equation, from this equation. Okay, this 2 alone you can cross multiply. Shall I write this value as root over x plus root over x plus root over so on. This is equal to, shall I write y minus x by 2 from the above equation, from this. Yes or no? Y minus x is equal to 2 times of this. I required only a square root of. I want to eliminate completely the square root of x plus square root of x. So instead of this, we can substitute like y minus x by 2. Is it clear? Okay, the value of this infinite series I replaced. Okay, then so this is equal to multiply with the 4x plus y minus x into 2. Okay, this is so x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to this value. So take all values at one side. So x square plus y square. Otherwise, you can keep y values at one side, y values at one side, x value at other side, because clearly it is implicity function. We cannot separate y, only y alone. So we may write like this. So this x square, you can take it right side, y square minus 2xy. So your 2 into y, 2y plus 2y, take left side minus 2y is equal to 4x is there, 2 into minus x minus 2x. So 4x minus 2x becomes, we'll write 2x directly. Shall I write 2x here? 4x minus 2x plus 2x minus x square. Okay. Now, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to 2y into dy by dx. Here minus 2 times of uv rule, xy, x dy by dx plus y minus 2 into dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x. Right, dy by dx you can take outside. What is the dy by dx coefficient here? 2y. The dy by dx coefficient is 2x. Here minus 2. So 2y minus 2x minus 2. Nothing but even we take a 2 common. So minus 2 into y minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2x. Okay, so take 2 common, then 2 common, 2 into y minus x minus 1. Okay, dy by dx is clearly equal to this minus 2y, take right side, that is plus 2y. Again take 2 common, 2 is common, y minus x plus 1. 2 get cancelled. So what is the dy by dx then finally? Dy by dx is y minus x plus 1 by y minus x minus 1. Which one? First one. So carefully how to do the simplification. What I have done here, they given an infinite series on both sides. It is, we cannot separate like a y values once, x values. So in that case, first I squaring on both sides. When I squared, we're getting like this. So after that, with the help of equation 1, I replaced in place of square root of y minus square root of y, I replaced the right side value. Okay, so both will be equal. I replaced here. After replacing, then I'm taking just square root of this x plus square root of x plus at one side, remaining values like this x I'm taking left side. Taking left side, so y minus x is equal to 2 times of this root over x plus root over x plus, like that we are getting. Now I squaring on both sides again. When I squaring on both sides, we are getting 4 into x plus again this value. Okay, square root get cancelled. X plus this value again. From the above one, we can written as y minus x by 2. Then after have taken y terms at one side, only y. So y square here, y square is there, y square 2xy, y is there, 2y is there. Because when we differentiate, y becomes dy by dx. It is easy to take dy by dx one side. So dy by dx I'm taking common, finally we get like this. So remaining values I'm taking right side, 2 is common in left hand and right. I cancel that, finally dy by dx will be, is that y minus x plus 1 by y minus x minus 1. First option is correct. Okay. The next question, question number 25. Any doubts, students, in 24? Yeah. Cos y x into cos of a plus y. We have to differentiate with respect to x, nothing but define dy by dx. Is it difficult? Direct you can differentiate. Yeah, this is u, this is v. Since we know that derivative of uv dash plus u dash v. Simple. Okay, tell me what is cos y derivative? Minus sin y. Am I right? Again, y derivative with respect to x, dy by dx. No. So cos y is minus sin y. Again, y is dy by dx. Right side uv rule, x into, again cos of a plus y is minus sin of a plus y. Okay. Sin of a plus y into a plus y derivative is 0 plus dy by dx. This is u v dash plus u dash. U dash means x derivative is 1, then cos y. Okay, so when we observe the options here, we are having some cos square a plus y, sin a, like that.
Sir, or in the first step itself, we can take it as x is equal to cos y by cos of a plus y, sir.
Why not? Yeah, you may take like that also.
And then
But
dx by dy, we can change it as dy by dx, sir, reciprocal.
yeah, sure. That's fine. Because directly we are going to get square. When I write here cos y, as you said, cos y by cos of a plus y. In this case, what will happen? You are going to get direct answer, like cos square is there, cos square is there. So when we apply, when we differentiate with respect to x on both sides, directly we are going to get cos square. So yeah, okay, let us take this step. We can do it both ways. As you said, we can take like this. So if we differentiating with respect to x on both sides, 1 is equal to, okay, 1 is equal to u by v rule, v u dash u v dash by 2. So here cos of a plus y into v u dash, u by v rule, v u dash minus u v dash by v square. So minus of sin y into dy by dx. Okay. Then minus, what about this? Cos y minus of sin of a plus y into dy by dx by same cos square of a plus y. That, yeah, here we required only dy by dx. Just you can cross multiply 1 into cos square of a plus y is equal to, take dy by dx is common. Then what about remaining value here? Minus into minus plus. So here according to the option, okay, sin a will be there. Shall I write here this value, second value? See here, minus into minus plus sin of a plus y into cos y, then minus of cos of a plus y into sin y. Is it clear? Minus will be there here, minus. So in that case, we'll get directly. So it is in the form of sin a cos b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is equal to what? Sin of a minus b. Am I right, students? Apply this formula. So cos square of a plus y is equal to same dy by dx into sin of a plus y minus y. Get cancelled. So sin a. The answer will be cos square of a plus y by sin a. First option. u by the root, right? Okay, this is better because we are getting directly cos square, you know. So in that case, when we differentiate directly also we'll get, but we need to substitute some values here. Sine of a plus y, place of that we can replace some other value to get the given answer. Okay, you can go through in this method. Next one. Is that clear, student? 25th. I apply direct u by v rule, we got directly answer. Then this kind of question, there is a direct formula actually. When y is equal to root over x plus f of x plus f of x plus f of x so on. In this case, the formula directly dy by dx is equal to f dash of x by 2y minus 1. That's all. F dash of x. F dash of x. Nothing but if I consider f of x is a to the power of 3x plus 1, what is the f dash of x? 2y minus 1 is fixed. See here in every 2y minus 1, not 2y plus 1. I can explain you why. See, if the question in the form of y is equal to square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus square root of f of x, so on like that. Okay, when it is a infinite series. What I said already, squaring on both sides, then f of x plus square root of again f of x plus square root of f of x plus so on up to infinite. Okay, I'm deriving the formula. So this is nothing but what again? With help of above equation 1. Shall I write this place of y? In place of this square root? Yes, we can write. So y square, take this plus y is left side, minus y is equal to right side is f of x alone. So what I have done, I am squaring on both sides, we are getting like this f of x. So remaining value clearly y, because it is an infinite series. It is a finite, you should not write again it is y. Whenever it is infinite, then only you can write as y. So now differentiate 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. So take dy by dx common. When I take dy by dx, here 2x minus 2y minus 1 f dash of x. But we required only dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to cross multiply. So f dash of x by 2y minus 1. That's all. Okay, students, always remember formula whenever it is infinite series. Okay, but in this question they given in place of f of x, they given a to the power of 3x plus 1. Sometimes they may give log x, may give e power x, maybe give sin x. Okay, different functions they may give. So in every function, try to remember the formula. Okay, in this question, what is the function value, f of x value? No? F of x value here, f of x is equal to a to the power of 3x plus 1. First find just f dash of x. What is f dash of x? It is in the form of a power x. A power x derivative is a power x log a. Am I right? A power 3x plus 1 into log a. That's all. Okay, chain rule again. We have to differentiate first a to the power of x form. Then after we have to differentiate that power 3x plus 1. What is the derivative of 3x plus 1? 3 into 1 plus 0. Nothing but a 3 into a to the power of 3x plus 1 log a. This is the derivative. This derivative you can substitute here. So what is the correct option number? 2y minus 1 is fixed. First one or second one? Second one. Am I right? Twins. 3 into a power 3x plus 1 log a. Direct derivative of given function, you can write denominator 2y minus 1 is fixed. Right? Shall I go for next? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 27. 27 again very easy. Just can you tell me what is the function? 27 is square root is there. Whenever you have a square root, you can try to eliminate. So take this y, this value x. Yeah, the question is x square root of 1 plus y. I want to take that y square root of 1 plus x right side. After taking right side, simply what I've done, I want to squaring on both sides. A square, square. It is easy to differentiate when you squaring on both sides. X square into 1 plus y is equal to y square into 1 plus x. Minus become plus. So multiply here x square plus x square y is equal to y square plus xy square. Now you can differentiate directly, or else if you want to simplify, we may simplify like this. X square and y square alone you can take it at one side, remaining xy square minus yx square. Here a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to, anything is common here. What is the common in both? Xy, I think
Yes, sir.
y minus x is there. This is also, if we take minus common, minus of xy, x minus y will be there. Shall I cancel these two? Yes, clearly in the question what they given, x not equal to y. X equal to y, we cannot cancel. X is equal to y means it will become 0 is equal to 0. Whenever x not equal to y, x minus y also not equal to 0, so that we can easily cancel these two. We cannot equating to 0 this value. We must be equating other value 0. So finally here x plus y is equal to, we got minus xy. Now you can differentiate. So we'll write like this, y plus xy is equal to minus x. It also can be written as 1 plus x into y is equal to minus x. Am I right? Now you can differentiate. Now it will becomes very easy. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Right. When I differentiate here, again UV rule. This is u, this is v. u, v. So u v dash 1 plus x into y derivative is dy by dx plus your y into 1 plus x derivative is 1 is equal to minus 1. But we required only dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 minus y. By, shall I write this plus y? You can take right side minus y by 1 plus x. Minus of 1 plus y by 1 plus x. Any option? Oh, no. What is the correct option? See, given option which is belongs to only x variable, but here we are having 1 plus y. This 1 plus y you can convert into x. Anyone? What about 1 plus y? No, just replace y value. Y is equal to what from this? Y is equal, shall we write minus x by 1 plus x? This y value can replace here. So minus of 1 minus x by 1 plus x all divided by 1 plus x. Okay, right, take LCM. Minus of 1 plus x minus x by 1 plus x the whole square. So finally minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square is the answer. Which of the following option is correct? Third one. Am I right? See what I've done, I'm squaring on both sides. I'm taking x square y square at one side. I cancel. Finally we got like this. So 1 plus x into y is equal to minus x. Now you can differentiating on both sides. You'll get dy by dx, but dy by dx here they are mixed variable, like x variable and y variable, but in given option we are having only x variable. So from the above condition, y can be written as minus x by 1 plus x. Just after finding dy by dx, replace y by this y by x by 1 plus x and simplify, you'll get the answer. I may go a bit of slow, but I hope that is everyone is understood above question. right? Let us go for 28. 28th, derivative of composite functions. See, whenever we want to differentiate f circle g of x, first we should find f circle g. F circle g of x can be written as f of g of x. Okay, students, what is the g of x value they given here? X by root over 1 plus x square. Okay, so but what is f of x value given? F of x they given as x by root over 1 minus x square. So in place of x, see, in place of x here we are having x by root over 1 plus x square. Just replace x by this value. F of this value you can replace in place of x here. So when I replace here x by root over 1 plus x square whole divided by root over 1 minus x by root over 1 plus x square the whole square. Am I right? Simply I replaced this value in place of x. Now all of you simplify more. What is the answer we'll get here? This is equal to, it can be written as x by root over 1 plus x square into 1 by, take LCM, square root get cancelled. LCM will be 1 plus x square. Then here 1 plus x square minus x square. Okay. Students, if you observe that it is a square, x by this value is 1 plus x square. If this 1 plus square root of this value becomes numerator 1 plus x square. By what about x square? X square get cancelled here 1. Finally, what is f circle g value? Yes, left side is f circle g of x is equal to x. When we differentiate, what is the derivative of x value? Yes. What is the correct answer? First option.
1.
Yes, exactly. Okay, any doubt? You can just find f circle g value first. F circle g of x can be written as f of g of x. I replace g of x value, then after this x, I replace here. Simplified, that's all. So, exercise 2 completed. Any doubt in class work 2? Surely I'll conduct the doubt clarification class on shall we take anyone having any doubts? Tomorrow we're having an advanced class from 9:30 to 11:30. Those are having any doubts, you can stay back. Okay, then you can ask your doubts at 11:30. Is it clear? Let us go for level 3. Right, first one. First one is see both side you can take log on both side. So log of a power so when I take log on both side, here we will get a g of y into f of x. G of y into log f of x is clearly equal to e to the power of. So that is fx minus g of y into, will get log e. I applied log on both sides. Directly I applied log a power m. When I take log on both sides, log a power m log a. So m log e. Log e value clearly 1. Now you can differentiate. When I differentiate here g of y into 1 by f of x into f dash of x plus log f of x into g of y derivative is g dash of y into g dash of y directly into y derivative is dy by dx is equal to f dash of x, x derivative 1 into g dash of y is g of y is g dash of y dy by dx. You can take dy by dx one side, remaining values at one other side, then you will get the answer directly. You can do that, because here in this exercise we're having almost how many questions are there? Yeah, 105. So we have to do little fast. So yes, friend, next question. Next question is, see here, in this case, simple, x square minus y square by x square plus y square is equal to cos inverse take right side, because it should not do differentiate directly. So we are going to get cos of log a. Yes or no? Cos of log a. Cos of log a, when I differentiate now on both sides, what about right side value, Amma? Right side value. Anyone? Cos of log a becomes minus sine of log a.
Log a into 1 by a into log a 0. Differentiation.
0. Total it is a constant. Is there an x variable? No. There is no x variable, so that clearly it is 0. Here left side is when you differentiate, apply u by v rule. U by v. Anyhow, here when we differentiate, right side is 0. Here when I apply v by u by v rule, here some v square will get. When I cross multiply v square also becomes 0. So no need to write denominator. Denominator after cross multiplying here. Just you have to find v u dash minus u v dash. That's all. Okay, v u dash, that is x square plus y square into the derivative of this. Okay, that you can do. This you can do. Only the thing is, first you should know to this cos inverse is, we can take it right side. Then it will becomes easy. Otherwise, very difficult. That you can do. You can try that. Okay, here the question is f of x, they given x minus a g of x. G of x is continuous. G of x is continuous at a. Clearly they given g of x is continuous at a. So what is the formula for continuity? For continuity formula. Okay, here they are asking f dash of 1. Sorry, first to find f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to, shall I write, limit x tends to a formula, f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Yes, this is a formula. Okay, direct, this is formula I'm taking. The function f of x is differentiable at x is equal to a is given by, this is the formula. But I want to find f dash of x. For that, f dash of x is equal to limit x tends to a. Okay, what is the f of x they given, student? Anyone? X minus a into g of x. Am I right? Yes or no? F of x is x minus a. Okay, I want to replace this f of x by x minus a into g of x minus f of a. What is f of a value here from the given function? A minus a into g of x. A minus a is 0, so the second one is 0 by x minus a. X minus a get cancelled. Limit x tends to a, g of x is equal to what? Shall I write g of a? Substitute in place of x, a, g of a. So f dash of x is equal to, we got it, g of a. Then what is f dash of 1? F dash of 1 is, yes,
G of 1.
yeah, g of 1. That's all. Okay, that's all. Next, fourth one. Fourth one is f from R to R, such that for all x and y in R, f of x minus f of y lesser than or equal to x minus y, the whole cube they given. Okay, students, here I want to do one thing. F of x is equal to, for what value of function it will be satisfied. See here, I may write here directly. This question, shall I write, what is the, again I am going to write, what is the derivative of the function? Derivative, like what is f dash of x? Just now I have written limit x tends to a. Am I right? Instead of x tends to a, I want to take x tends to y. Then this will become f of x minus f of y by x minus y. Is it clear? Clear? Yes. It's very clear. So in the question they given f of x minus f of y lesser than or equal to x minus y, the whole cube. Yes. So when I take here a whole cube, shall I write like this? Shall I write x minus y? Yes, we can write this x minus y. If I cross multiply here, what is the value we are going to get? We are going to get this value. When I apply the limit, so f of x minus f of y by fine, happy. So shall I take this x minus y is left side? Yes, we can take left side, lesser than or equal to remaining x minus y, the whole square is there. So take here limit x tends to y. So according to the definition here, it will becomes f dash of y, actually f dash of y. So here also we can take limit. Substitute in place of x, y. What about this value, Amma? I'm applying the limit. This is clearly becomes f dash of y. Right side clearly becomes, what about right side? Y minus y the whole square, that is 0. Okay, student, f dash, the derivative is 0. For what function it will becomes 0? Yes, when it will become 0? Finally, we got here f dash of x becomes 0. So e power x derivative is e power x, e power minus x is minus e power x derivative 1, constant alone. Okay, constant alone. Because when I find f dash of x, it becomes 0, it becomes 0. When it is 0 only, the function is constant. The fourth option is, this option is correct. Okay, students, so then here, fifth question is, pi of x is given. Pi of x is equal to f of x into g of x. Then f dash of x into g dash of x is equal to k. Then what is the value of 2k by f of x and g of x? Anyone? We have to differentiate. So what is the function they given? Pi of x they given here. Clearly they given pi of x. Pi of x value is f of x into g of x. See, student, when are you going to get f dash of x, g dash of x? They given as k. F dash of x. Yeah. So when you differentiate here, phi dash of x is equal to uv rule. This is u, this is v. U v dash plus u dash v. But easier you are getting any f dash of x into g dash of x. Is it possible? We did not get f dash of x, g dash of x to substitute k. Okay, again we can differentiate phi double dash of x, phi double dash of. So again here uv rule, here also uv rule. Whenever you want to apply uv rule, this is u, this is v, this is u, this is v. For first one, f of x into g double dash of x plus u dash. Now f dash of x into g dash of x is as it is. Okay, I differentiated this value. Next I am going to differentiate this value. Next, f dash of x into g of x derivative g dash of x plus f double dash of x into g of x. Okay, what about this value, Amma? What about this value here? F dash of x, this value. Clearly, k. Here also, k plus k, 2k. Pi double dash of x is clearly equal to fx g double dash of x plus f double dash of x gx plus 2k. But question is what? What is 2k by fx gx? Yeah. Students, anyone? 2k by. They're asking fx gx. Each term dividing with fx gx. fx gx. Here fx gx. Okay, here this is the question. These two values you can take it left side. Here fx, gx get cancelled. According to that, yeah, fx into gx values, shall I write this value as pi of x here? Pi double dash of x by pi of x. Yes or no? This is the given question, pi of x. So what is the answer, Amma? This is okay, this is okay, this is the first value okay. Which of the following option is correct?
First option.
That's all. First option. Take these two value left side, it will become negative. Next question.
Can you slide, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next question is what? G and H are differentiable function. What is f dash of 0 now? Okay. See here, f of x is equal to, sorry. In this question, what shall we do? Clearly they're given g of x. When g of minus x is equal to g of x, g of minus x is equal to g of x, then what about the function we can say? Shall I say even function? G of minus x is equal to minus of g of x, then we can say that odd function. Already we discussed this. You should know the idea about even function, odd function. When we replace, let us consider g of x with a given function. In place of x, if we replace minus x, even though we are getting the same function, that is even. Replace x by minus x, if we are getting minus of g of x, then odd. Odd example is sin x. Sin of minus x is equal to minus sin. Even example, cos x. Cos of minus x is equal to plus cos x. Okay, in the same way here, they given some f of x. Since we know that when f of x is even function, its derivative becomes odd function. Odd function. For example, f of x is x power 4 I am taking. X power 4. What is f dash of x? 4x cube. Okay, the function is even function, its derivative must be odd function. For example, cos x alone you can take. This is even function. What is f dash of x? Minus sin x. Sin is an odd function. So its derivative obviously odd function. Right? Okay, here they are asking f dash of 0. What is 4 into 0 cube? 0. Answer will be 0. Here substitute 0. Cos x is even. F dash of x is sin x odd. What is sin 0? When I replace in place of x 0? 0, no? So here also the answer is 0, because first we have to check whether f of x is even function or not. Yeah, student, all of you substitute. All of you find that f of minus x value. What about f of minus x value over here? Is here equal to given function, same function or not? That you have to say. Tell me. Is it same or not? So this can be written as g of x plus g of minus x by 2 plus 2 times of h of x plus h of minus x. They given inverse is here. Take into numerator. Okay, when we replace x by minus x, minus into minus plus x by minus x, here plus x, nothing but same function only, no? Whether we are getting same function or not, f of minus x value is plus f of x. So that what shall we conclude here? F of x is even function or odd function? Okay. See, we don't know what is g of x, we don't know what is h of x, but both will be differentiable. We can easily differentiate f of x because right side it is in the so in g of x and in h of x, both will be differentiable. So clearly f of x is even function. When I replace x by minus x, the function is not changing, so that its derivative becomes odd function. When you replace in odd function x by 0, always it is 0. Always it is 0. Okay, ma? Having doubt? Next question. Question number 7. X is given, y is given. X and y are the function like parametric equation. Can you differentiate this y directly? This kind of question already we done. T square is equal to substitute cos 2t. Cos 2t. Right? Cos 2t means again it is. So why don't you find the relation between x and y? Chance will be there. Why don't you find? See here. Here component or dividend they are applied. So I'll tell you very easy. What is the x value they given? Once can you tell me that? X is equal to root over root over 1 minus t square by root over 1 plus t square. But what is y? Root over 1 plus t square is first. First, what it will be here? Okay, plus. So here when I apply here component of dividend, like a x by 1. So since we know that component a by b is equal to c by d, a plus b by c, a minus b can be written as c plus d by c minus d. Okay, we can write, or a minus b by a plus b is equal to reciprocal c minus d by c plus d according to the question. Okay, so what about this first one is root over 1 plus t square is there. So we cannot apply directly component of dividend. I want to do one thing. 1 by x is equal to root over 1 plus t square. Yes, by root over 1 minus t square is there. Now you can apply the component of dividend. Let us take this is a by b. This is c by d. So component of dividend is what? A minus b by a plus b is equal to c minus d by c plus d. Apply here. So 1 minus x by 1 plus x shall I write as y? Is it clear, student? Because c plus d, root over c minus d, root over 1 plus t square minus root over 1 minus t square by root over 1 plus t square, right? So we'll get directly this value when I apply, because I have written directly y. Finally, y is equal to, we got 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now, is it difficult to differentiate? Yes, easy. dy by dx is equal to u by v rule. Okay, that idea you need to get. Okay, what shall we do? First 2-3 steps. So x is given, I have written 1 by x because of in y first root over 1 plus t square is there. So 1 by x, so here we got 1 plus t square. I applied component of dividend of a minus b by a plus b. Here c minus d by c plus d becomes clearly y. So y is equal to 1 minus x by 1. Now you can differentiate. This differentiation and all you can do it. No problem, very easy. Okay. So square is the answer. Anyway, let us see now. Question number 8. Question number 8, see here. Okay, fine. E, E. Okay, right. D by dx of, see, m log a power m. Okay, log a power m. This is also m log a. This is considered as a. This is considered as a. Shall I write all power m? And log 3 get cancelled. Here log e get cancelled. Actually 1 minus tan square h x whole power 1 by 2 will get. Here cot h square x minus 1 whole square will get. Okay, anyhow, I'll be simplifying it. Easy question. Hyperbolic concept they given. D by dx of, what is the function they given? First one is e to the power of, yes, e to the power of log tan square, sorry, 1 minus tan square. 1 minus tan square hx, shall I write all to the power of 1 by 2? See here 1 by 2 m log a formula, log a power m I applied, plus 3 to the power of log of cot square hx minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here base 3, here base is e. I told you clearly log e will be cancelled when these two values will be same. Okay, here both will be same, cancel it. Now d by dx of, what is the remaining value, students? Remaining value, square root of 1 minus tan square hx, yes, plus square root of cot square hx minus 1. Do one thing, you can change in terms of, okay, what is the formula directly? There is a formula, okay. Actually 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x in trigonometry. Coming to hyperbolic function, 1 minus tan square hx value becomes secant square hx. Okay, so observe here for hyperbolic function it is negative. It is negative. In the same way, but what about cot? This also becomes not here cot square hx minus 1 becomes cosecant square hx. If you're having any doubts, yeah, you can take sine hx. Sine hx value is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Cos hx value is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. From this you will get tan x, just you can find 1 minus tan square hx, you will get secant square hx, and but cot square hx minus 1 is cosecant square hx. Coming to hyperbolic functions, this will be changed. So this is directly secant hx, cosecant hx. Okay, students. So, but coming to the derivative, both will be negative. Actually, the derivative of secant x is secant x tan x in trigonometry. Why video switch on? Okay. Okay, ma. Here, directly it is formula 1 minus tan square hx is secant square hx, cot square hx minus 1 is cosecant square hx. So, what is secant hx? Directly minus secant hx, tan hx minus cosecant hx into cot hx. In a derivative of hyperbolic function, first three are positive, sine, cos, tan. Remaining three are negative. Okay. But they given in terms of, after that you can simplify this. Tan you can, let's see, sine and cos will be there. Why don't you change here this 1 by cos hx, this sine hx by cos hx, like that you can simplify, you'll get the answer, no doubt. Coming to the next question, 9th one, x lesser than 1. Here x lesser than 1, then 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square. If it is an integration problem, it is very easy because the derivative of denominator in numerator. 1 plus x square derivative 2x. 1 plus x power 4 is 4x cube. But they given the question in differentiation. So what is the answer for this? It is simple, Amma. It is very simple. Okay. Only the thing is, you should know the formula. Like see here. What is the formula for 1 plus r square so on up to infinite series when r is lesser than 1? Geometric progression. 1 by 1 minus r. Am I right? Here,
Yes, sir.
yeah, here also same. We can easily, okay, I will tell you. Question is what? 1 by 1 plus x. 2x by 1 plus x square. 4x cube by 1 plus x power 4 plus so on. Okay, students. After that, yeah, sum of finite series is given or infinite series given here?
Infinite.
Infinite they given. When they given it is infinite, okay, we'll do one thing. I'm going to write the general form of this. Right. So what is the nth term, Amma? When we write like this, nth term becomes
nx power n minus 1 by 1 plus x power n.
nx power nx power, yeah, when I take here, okay, I'm going to do in two methods, which is the easiest I'm thinking. One method is some lengthy, but you can easily understood all the steps. Okay, already it is not one. Okay, student, this question I can explain in next class.